So we're going to talk a little bit about some of the points that may be the different features that make up a powerful yet emissions-free machine. So let's I like what some of the questions are coming up on the screen from our virtual participants, but to kick things off, what type of applications are ideal for electric machines of this size, for that mid-size?
For this 20-ton class, medium-size electric excavator is well fit into a light to a medium-duty application, which is like a building segment. And using this machine as a general excavation machine, so you can extract it, dirt, and earth moving and grading for site preparations.
Well, I'm excited to see that. So customers have been doing pilot testing on this particular machine overseas, and it's now coming to North America for the first time. So Volvo has done testing internally, and customers have done their own testing, correct?
Correct.
So what has that revealed about the machine's performance?
We have been delivered several units to European market and for various customers. And then their feedback is extremely positive. And general performance is similar to electric diesel unit.
Oh, okay.
But the quiet and quick response from the electric motors. So operator feels much better and quicker and a better performance.
Oh, look, we got some questions coming in from the chat. So that's from the chat. With no engine, diesel fuel, or diesel exhaust fluid, and less maintenance, how does the total cost of ownership of this machine compare with the diesel unit?
Well, at the moment, because of the less the charging infra and higher cost of the electric bill, and then TCO will be slightly higher than diesel machine at the moment. And then, but we eliminate lots of the diesel engine related items. So it could be, TCO could be similar or less than diesel engine.
Good answer. Look, here's another one. What about the weight of this machine compared to diesel excavators, similar in size? So does the electric machine weigh more? And if so, does it require any special trailering for consideration? That's a great question.
Yep. Machine weight could be a slightly different, but not much different.
Not different, so it's similar, very similar.
Very similar. So you don't need any special transportation considerations.
So whatever you do for diesel, you do the exact same thing.
Correct.
For. I love it. What would a typical maintenance schedule look like for the EC230 electric excavator? What would that maintenance be?
Yeah, compared to a diesel unit, and then we are using almost same component except the engines. So typical maintenance will be similar or a little less than compared to the diesel engines.
So, and what else? Typical maintenance schedule, right? So. Wait, we already covered that one. How about this? So we're watching the chat come in, apparently. So what does it feel like to operate one of these machines? The controls, the torque, the sound. How is the machine different from what operators are used to?
The biggest difference is from the electric motors, and then you will get instant torque from the motor. So it's really quick response, and then reduce the noise level and the machine vibration quite a bit noticeably. So operator feels much comfortable, and he can use 8 hours whatever he needs.
I was actually talking to one of the customers just on the floor earlier yesterday, and they were saying that they can finally have a conversation when they're actually working, even though someone's still in the excavator.
Yeah.
Because even though it's running, it's not making all the loud noise.
Correct.
Right. That's amazing. What are there anything special more that we haven't covered that hasn't come up in the chat? Is there anything that we haven't covered that might be something worth highlighting about this particular machine, the EC230?
As I said, the performance is similar to or better to diesel and diesel unit. So operator feels much comfortable, and
I have another question. So we're actually, the electric mid-size excavator is actually coming to North America.
Yeah.
This is the first one that's actually
Correct.
coming. In ConExpo, you can actually see and speak to one of our customers. So this is new to North America. Has it been in other parts of the world already? Because it's already been out in Europe, right?
Yeah, and we, as I said, we delivered to several units to European market, and their feedback is really good and well accepted. So hopefully in our North American market, we'll get a good feedback from the customers.
Well, and you can actually test drive a couple of these here.
Oh, yeah.
So I actually plan to do that before the end of the week. They think I'm joking, but I am not. So I'll be looking for you to help me. So SS, thank you so much for taking the time and share with us the new EC230 Electric mid-size excavator. It's only the beginning of all the new products and solutions that we're showcasing here at ConExpo this week. We're actually going to go down to the solutions hall shortly and go through that. Is there anything else that we can cover while I have you here? We don't get much time with SS Kim, so I want to see if there's any other information worth covering.
Well, we'll do the machine demo with the customers, and we'll set
we're doing
the plan.
it. Oh, excellent.
We'll do that.
And do we have a date for that?
No, not yet. And sometime in April, that will be a first one.
Okay. Sometime in April we'll be doing, and we do have demo days too that you can actually come to next at the end of, I think it's next year we're doing demo days. So thanks again. I really appreciate you taking the time with us. It's only the beginning of all the new products and solutions that we're showcasing throughout the week. And for those of you who may still have questions or haven't received an answer yet, we'll be wrapping up this live chat session soon, but one of our experts will always reach out. So if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Thanks again for joining us. Stay tuned. I'll be right back for our first check-in of our solutions team. We'll take you inside our solutions hall to explore all the new and customized ways we're helping customers optimize machines and grow their business. That's next from Volvo at ConExpo Live. Thank you.